The analogy for eliminating misconceptions in the bardo of this life is a falcon entering its nest. The meaning is that one must eliminate misconceptions by following a noble guru and applying oneself assiduously to studying, reflecting upon and meditating upon the instructions that he or she gives. Similarly, the analogy for clear recollection in the bardo of dying is a beautiful girl staring into a mirror. As this suggests, one must clearly bring to mind instructions that are familiar from the past. Trusting that appearances are mind's own manifestation during the bardo of dharmatā is likened to a child entering its mother's lap. One must not react to appearances with fear, but maintain confidence that they are the naturally manifesting display of one's own wisdom.